What is a seller's market? Simply put, there's a greater demand than supply, and the existing inventory with no new listing will last less than 6 months. So how do you succeed in buying in a seller's market? First of all, be aggressive. Use a realtor for current information. While the internet's a great resource for initial market research, it still lags behind what an informed realtor knows. In a seller's market, many properties are already under offer before they hit the multiple listing service, which is what the internet shares. Use the internet to find properties and areas you're interested in, and then share these with your realtor so they can source viable options for you. Next, get a financial pre-approval. Making an offer with something to assure the seller that you're able to pay for their house is essential. Either a pre-approval letter or proof of funds for a cash offer will add strength to your offer. And keep it simple. In a seller's market, the seller is in control. Make your offer as simple and flexible as possible. Examples include as-is condition, flexible closing and move-out dates, and no contingencies. The easier you can make it on them, the greater consideration they are likely to give to your offer. Do your research. Know the relevant properties that affect the market value of the property you're interested in. Your realtor will be able to guide you with current and relevant information so that your offer is actually considered. Lowball offers are rarely considered in a seller's market. Know what the repairs will cost. If you're buying a resale, there are probably things that will need attention right off or in the first few years of ownership. Determine what these are and factor your offer, again, making it as simple and easy as possible. For instance, lump sum a price reduction so the seller doesn't have to pay out of pocket and slow the closing, and you stay in control of repairs and updates. You might consider buying new. There are early signing offers for new construction that include cash and/or upgrades. Savvy realtors know what's coming to market and can help you get in before others are aware. And most importantly, act fast. Be ready to make your offer. Make it at list price or slightly above so that there's not a lot of counters that the seller has to deal with. Make it as simple and as easy on the seller as possible. Ready to explore? Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit SarasotaHomesAndLifestyle.com to start your search today.